Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute bay window card with the Happy Forest Friends suite. Here is my triple window card using the Happy Forest Friends suite, which includes the Happier Than Happy stamp set, the Happy Forest Friends DSP, the dies that are in a bundle, and you get 10% off when you purchase them together. And the DSP has all kinds of fun patterns and pictures or drawings of the cute bear, fox, owl, bird, everything. All right, so the first step is to put 2 cards together. So I used a regular 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock. So that's a regular sheet cut in half. And I've scored it at 4 and 8. And then I've used the stitched rectangle dies to cut out the middle windows. So I used a large die, a medium die, and then a smaller die for the next card. This card is only 8 inches long and it's scored at 4. And we're just going to adhere the 2 cards together. So I'm going to move this up and just get some adhesive along there. And then attach the 2 cards together to form 1 card. It's that simple. And then when we fold it, we're gonna have those 3 windows. So we're gonna do a little bit of burnishing with the bone folder to make sure everything is folded really nice and crisply so that this will lay a little flatter. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the inside by just using a piece of the DSP. This is my favorite sheet. I love this one. So this one measures 3 7/8 inches by 4, actually 3 3/4 by 4. I didn't do it quite that tight. So 3 3/4 by my measurements are all wrong, by 5 1/4. Okay, so let's try that again. So for the background, I'm using this piece of DSP that's 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then I've already stamped and cut out my cute little bear. So I'm going to place some dimensionals on the bear, and then I will show you how to place the bear. I'm gonna fold up the card so I can see where he's going to be peeking out through the windows. And then I want him to be right about there. So there he goes, right there. And now we get to decorate the card. So I have cut out a bunch of shapes. So I have a tree for inside here, and a stump for over here. And I've got some of these leaves that I have used the adhesive sheets to cut. So I have sticky, I've made it like into a sticker. So I can just put that down over here. And then I also have cut out a stump. Here's the other leaf. So I'm gonna put my stump on here to decorate as well. You could do another owl if you wanted to. So there's a stump, and then here's the other leaf. And you can put the leaves however you want. And then I did some acorns. So here's a mossy meadow acorn. Trying to make sure, get all those little pieces off. Okay, so here's an acorn. And it looks like I need to get this one piece off. Okay. These are sticky. Okay, so now the other acorn. I think I got them all off that time. Okay, and then I've got these little leaves. So the dies have all these fun little leaves, double or single, And then it's got 2 of these leaves. It's got 3 acorns. And then it's cool because it has 2 mushrooms. So you can cut out 2 mushrooms at a time. And then a little mushroom, and then the acorn. And then this is for the butterfly. And this is a little label or a tag. So lots of fun little dies that you can use to decorate your card. So I'll do some leaves down here. I'll do soft suede leaf. Okay. Then I'm going to add some glue dots to the stump. And then add the stump on there. And if you want, you could like add an owl there. That would be cute. And then you could do some more leaves or acorns. I'm gonna do another leaf and an acorn, I think. So we'll do this leaf there. And then I'll do another acorn over there. Okay, now for the front, I have this piece of 4 by 1/2 inch, and I'm gonna put some glue dots on either end and then attach them to the back part of my first front window. And then I can put all kinds of fun elements on here. So I'm just gonna place this right about there. Okay, so now I have a whole bunch of fun little elements that I have already stamped and cut out, and I put them on glue dots. So I did a couple. I did a whole bunch actually, so I could pick and choose what I wanted. So I want to do this mushroom. I'm going to do this mushroom, and then I want to do this little mushroom. And you can use these to decorate all over the card. And now I need to stamp thanks before I do the other side. So I'm going to use some soft suede. And there's also welcome or hello baby, but I'm just gonna do thanks. Okay, so I'll just stamp that here in the corner. And then I can add more little mushrooms. We'll do this mushroom right here in the corner. And we'll do one of these. This is Mossy Meadow. That was soft suede. And then an acorn. Do this acorn over here. Okay, and then I have cut 1 by 1/2 inch strips of window sheets, and I'm gonna use them for my owl and my butterfly. So my butterfly I want to be about here in the middle. And then I've already got her on a glue dot, and I'm just gonna have her fly right there. And then the next piece I'm going to put on the side right here. And I'm gonna put the owl on this one. Mr. Owl. Okay, now we have Mr. Owl. I'm just gonna put a glue dot about here. And then add him over here. And then the last step is that I want to add a bow with the Mossy Meadow. So I already have a bow tied. So I'm just gonna add a glue dot and put the ribbon in the corner. And there I have my triple window card. Super fun, super easy, lots of potential for decorating, and super cute. So I'm offering this card as part of my free card kit with supplies for these 6 cards. This is a little peekaboo card, and this is a bay window card. If you place an order using my current host code to either purchase the Happy Forest bundle or a $40 order. And just email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial on the Happy Forest Friends suite. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.